Thunderstruck Resources, which trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the symbol AWE, is a mining exploration company that owns 100% of a portfolio of highly prospective assets in Fiji. Fiji is located on the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is a string of underwater volcanoes and earthquake sites around the margins of the Pacific Ocean. Magma, often rich in minerals, is produced deep below and rises up, erupting to the surface as volcano, with in places associated gold, silver, and base metal deposits as a byproduct of the magmatism. Fiji has a long history of mining, with the Vatukula gold mine operating over 80 years and having produced in excess of 7 million ounces of gold, and with the remaining 4.2 ounces of gold resource, which is a major deposit by world standards. Newcrest and Mitsubishi's Namosi Copper Gold Project contains 2.2 billion tons at 0.34% copper and 0.11 grams per ton gold. The Namosi project is at the pre-feasibility stage. Lion One Metals Tuvatu Gold Project contains a 767,500 ounce gold resource and recently intersecting high grades of 71.41 grams per ton over 8.4 meters. Lion One completed a PEA in May of 2015 and the project is now in development. Fiji has an excellent infrastructure. There's a deep water port at Suva, only 50 kilometers from Wanalika. The Queen's Highway connects Suva to within 10 kilometers of Wanalika. There is a hydroelectric power station at Munasavu Dam, 20 kilometers northeast of Nakoro. Thunderstruck's assets include the 30 square kilometer Wanalika VMS prospect and the 148 square kilometer Nakoro copper zinc prospect, which includes the Liwa Creek gold and Rama Creek copper porphyry prospects, and nearby gold anomalism in street sediments. In 1977, 2 diamond drilling programs were carried out by Anglo, when 15 holes were drilled on the Wanalika prospect for a total of 1,763 meters. The holes were drilled down to an average depth of 120 meters from surface, where the mineralization remains open. The best hole was hole WLK-1A, which intercepted 9.36 meters true width, averaging 8.28% zinc, 1.45% copper, and 16.72 grams per ton silver in massive sulfides. Drilling also intercepted what is interpreted to be a copper stringer zone. The best hole in this zone intersected 31.8 meters true width, averaging 0.95% copper, 0.92% zinc, and 6.86 grams per ton silver, indicating the potential to drill 2 deposits which can be drilled simultaneously at Wanalika. Near-surface copper-zinc mineralization at Wanalika has the potential to be mined by open-pit mining methods. The historic holes have an average width of 5.4 meters drilled over a projected strike length of 650 meters on both the massive sulfide zone and the copper stringer zone. Results from rock sampling shows that alteration and mineralization extends both east and west along strike at Wanalika. At Nakoro, the best holes drilled by Anglo in the massive sulfides were holes NKD-2, which intersected 12 meters true width, averaging 12.7% zinc and 0.3% copper. Hole NKD-13 intercepted 23.2 meters, averaging 5.12% zinc, 0.5% copper, and 22 grams per ton silver. From 2010 to 2013, Algin Pacific drilled 30 holes using a man-portable backpack drill, which had a maximum depth range of 5 meters. The objective was to test for extensions of mineralization. This exercise was successful in identifying some high-grade areas and also mineralized alteration zones. The holes drilled at Nakoro averaged 7.9 meters true thickness over an area 500 meters in length by 500 meters wide. The Liwa Creek prospect is potentially an epithermal type system with numerous high-grade gold samples, including trenching, which returned 15 meters of 1.9 grams per ton gold. There is enough geological and geochemical data to indicate that this is a very attractive and unexplored area in an epithermal gold-silver environment. The evidence suggests the potential to host a precious metal deposit similar to the Batukula gold mine 55 kilometers to the north. The Rama Creek prospect is a copper-gold porphyry target similar to Newcrest's Namosi project 35 kilometers to the east. Anglo conducted limited drilling with one hole intersecting extensive low-grade mineralization of 244 meters of 0.22% copper and 0.1 grams per ton gold. Exploration has shown that there is a copper porphyry-like system with zonal alteration patterns with sub-economic grades of 0.22% copper outlined, but very good thickness of more than 200 meters are not uncommon at the margins of a good porphyry system. New logging roads now provide access to within 2 kilometers of both Liwa and Rama Creek. Thunderstruck Resources is planning a first phase drilling program at its Nakoro zinc copper prospect to follow up on the successful drilling by Anglo-American in the 1970s, and is currently conducting sampling on the other assets to further assess their prospectivity.